So today I have a different kind of video for you. My friend Jorge and I are going to be making some toothpaste and a face mask using only natural products. We had heaps of fun making it, so we hope you enjoy it too. Hey guys, welcome back to Ambrosia's Table. If you're new here, I'm Lucia. I make videos to help you find your kitchen flow and eat gut-nourishing, yummy meals. So this is the awesome Jorge. He grew up in the north of Spain on an olive farm where his family practiced traditional beekeeping. He's a genius at making natural products like moisturizer, soap, and other yummy smelling things like that. Make sure you check out his Instagram. You can see all of his beautiful creations. Hey Jorge.
Hello.
Welcome to my video. Thanks for coming on with me.
Great that you invite me. Glad to be with you here.
So do you want to tell me a little about what we're adding here?
Yeah, that's calendula tea. We collect the fresh calendulas from the garden.
Yeah, and calendula is particularly good for skin, but you can also use other type of tea, like which one?
Like green tea, chamomile tea. The base of both recipes is white clay.
And most of the other ingredients you'll be able to find just at home. We kind of freestyled the recipe, but we will put a proper recipe on screen for you guys so you can make this.
Yeah, we are mixing the water part, in this case calendula tea, with the clay. First step.
And I was using a matcha whisk to whisk it, but I don't recommend using that because, as you can see, it just kind of clumps up. It'd be better probably just to use a fork or something like that.
White clay removes dead skin cells and cleans your pores.
It's also a mild exfoliant. And what does the yogurt do again?
Yeah, the yogurt is moisturizing for your skin and reducing wrinkles.
Wrinkles?
Wrinkles.
Perfect.
Yeah, and fine lines too.
Good to know.
Here we are adding the almond oil. It is rich in vitamins and fatty acids and gonna help us with the dry skin to have a more balance.
Cool. And we're putting in some matcha as well, which has got heaps of antioxidants and
increase the skin elasticity.
Gotta love that elastic skin.
As you can see, we are adding heaps of matcha because Lucia loves the green color and the green face.
Yeah, I don't know, I just feel like the greener it is, the better it works. Just get that, you know, that cucumber, cool, calm, collected.
Green is always good. Now we are adding more tea, more water to the mix. Last thing, we are using essential oils. In this case, we are using chamomile, ylang-ylang, and frankincense.
Oh, smells so good.
Yeah, like are using in aromatherapy to balance the emotions mainly. These three essential oils to calm ourselves. Looks good.
Looks like guacamole.
Yeah. Now it's time to apply the mask.
You need to be in pain to apply the mask, like Jorge.
Yeah. You have to look for the worst position, body position ever. Like me, you see?
I thought it would be comfortable for you to sit like this.
Yeah, my back is still in pain. She say in pain.
Yeah, right.
Lucia was using a spoon that I don't recommend at all. It's nice to feel the hands of other person in your hand, in your face.
You know what he said to me? He said, what did you say? Oh, it's like having a massage with a piece of wood.
Yeah, I think it's even worse. It's a piece of metal. It's like a metal spoon.
Sorry. Just trying to be hygienic. By the way, guys, we live on a community together, hence why we're not practicing social distancing. So we're basically in the same household. Oh, looking good. Looking great.
Yeah.
And then eventually, yeah, I think that's where you made the joke about the massage.
Yeah, finally I sit down because the other position was terrible.
Terrible. Some in the nose.
Yeah, Alice.
Up the nostril. This is when I realized how uncomfortable the position was.
Yeah. She didn't believe me. And now was when you have facial mask in your eye, right?
Coming. Don't spoil it for them. So exciting. Ready? Oh, there we go.
Yeah, I was feeling very guilty. We're crying.
Oh my god, I look like a little mole rat who lives underground. I look like I have no eyes.
Should be right.
Yeah, boy. Oh my god, on the mouth.
Lips.
Okay, so I'll pop the recipe on screen for you guys now so that you can make this face mask at home, and don't be afraid to swap out some of the ingredients as well. Oh my gosh, so silly. Like I had a fight with an avocado. Okay, so we're gonna make the toothpaste now. So again, we're using the white clay as the base.
Yeah. Now we are adding the water part. In this case is lemon myrtle tea that helps to prevent dental cavities. We can use another kind of tea like sage, for example. It's good for the toothpaste and for the health of the mouth.
Stops dental cavities, I think.
Yeah.
So you could quite easily find white clay online as well, or probably in like a health food store or something like that.
Now we are using baking soda.
Good old bicarb.
Yeah, natural whitening. The white soda creates an alkaline environment, prevents from bacteria. Now some olive oil, always good to eliminate toxins and improves the health of your gums. You see 2 tablespoons in this recipe. Love the olive oil. For everything.
You would. Making natural toothpaste is actually easier than you think, and it's great because it means you can avoid some of the yucky chemicals that they put in the commercial toothpaste.
Yes. Now it's time to add the propolis. The propolis coming from the honeybees kills oral bacteria, prevent from cavities and from the developing of bacteria in our mouth and teeth.
Oh, look at that paste, looks so good.
Yeah.
Some clove oil.
Yeah. Clove, fennel, peppermint and lemon essential oils are good for the health of the mouth and also for
Freshening the breath.
refreshing breath.
Yeah. Nice. Okay, so I'll pop the recipe for the toothpaste on screen now so you can screenshot that. Now some beautiful footage of us modeling the toothpaste.
Yeah. Have a try.
Oh, it's actually really nice, and I think the bicarb soda just helps to like clean your, like, I don't know, just leaves your teeth feeling really smooth.
Mm-hmm. Sometimes it's a big step. It's pretty different than the commercial one, but I think once you start to use it, you will love it and you don't want to back to the commercial chemicals.
Yeah, it doesn't have like that same feeling of having like heaps of foam, but it definitely still leaves your mouth feeling fresh. Woohoo, the end! Thanks for watching, guys.
Thank you! Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Lucia's wonderful channel.
My wonderful channel.
She's always sharing interesting things.
Thanks for that, Jorge. And make sure to hit the bell button because next week's video is going to be really awesome. I'm going to be sharing how to meal prep for breakfast 2 different ways. So I'll probably do like a really yummy granola and some egg muffins as well. All right, guys, we'll see you next Sunday. Have a good one.
Bye!
Jorge and I were thinking of making a natural moisturizer, deodorant and a soap video as well. So if you'd like to see more from both of us, then comment "yeah boy" below because that's his favorite saying. Also make sure you check out some of my other videos. They'll be on screen now so you can, go have a little binge.